Hello students, welcome to Strategic Brains online study platform. In the previous session, we discussed some of the important MCQs related to Indian Parliament, and in this session, we will continue the discussion. Consider the following statements on financial bill and choose the correct statement. Option 1. It is same as money bill. This statement is wrong. Option 2. It can be introduced only in Lok Sabha. This particular statement is correct. Option 3. It can be amended in the Rajya Sabha. Again, this statement is wrong. Option 4. It cannot be introduced except on the recommendation of the President. Again, this particular statement is correct. So 2 and 4 are correct. So option B is the correct answer. The time gap between two sessions of the Parliament should not exceed option A 3 months, option B 6 months, option C 9 months, option D 2 months, and the correct answer is option B 6 months. Which of the following motion of the Parliament can stand on its own legs, that is self-contained and independent? Option A substitute motion, option B substantive motion, option C subsidiary motion, option D all of these. The correct answer is option B substantive motion. A money bill passed by the Lok Sabha has to be passed or written by Rajya Sabha within option A 14 days, option B 21 days, option C 1 month, option D 3 months. And the correct answer is option A 14 days. That is, within 14 days, Rajya Sabha has to return back the bill that is passed by Lok Sabha to the Rajya Sabha. If a money bill passed by Lok Sabha is not returned by Rajya Sabha within 14 days, then A. Lok Sabha will reconsider it, B. Money bill will be rejected, C. President will summon a joint sitting of both the houses of the Parliament to discuss it, D. The bill will be sent to the President for signature and consent. The correct answer is option D. The bill will be sent to the President for signature and consent. That is, nothing will happen to the money bill, because in case of money bills, Rajya Sabha is having very limited role. It cannot amend the bill, it cannot reject the money bill. So the correct answer is option D. Which of the following committee recommended for separation of railway budget from general budget in 1921? Option A Fowler Committee, option B Ackworth Committee, option C Woodhead Committee, option D Colbert Committee. And the correct answer is option B Ackworth Committee. Which of the following actions are not performed by the President? Option A proroguing Parliament, option B conveying a joint sitting if requested, option C dissolving Rajya Sabha, option D causing the budget to be laid before Parliament. And the correct answer is option C dissolving Rajya Sabha, because no one can dissolve Rajya Sabha, because Rajya Sabha is a permanent house and it is not subjected to dissolution. The chairman of Public Accounts Committee of the Parliament is appointed by option A Prime Minister of India, option B President of India, option C Finance Minister, option D Speaker of Lok Sabha. And the correct answer is option D Speaker of Lok Sabha. Which of the following non-members of Parliament has the right to address it? Option A Solicitor General of India, option B Chief Justice of India, option C Attorney General of India, option D Chief Election Commissioner. The correct answer is option C Attorney General of India, because Attorney General of India is neither a member of Lok Sabha nor member of Rajya Sabha, but he can take part in the proceedings of both the houses of the Parliament, but he has no right to vote. No vote. Which one of the following is responsible for preparation and presentation of Union budget to the Parliament? Option A, Department of Revenue. Option B, Department of Economic Affairs. Option C, Department of Financial Services. Option D, Department of Expenditures. And the correct answer is option B, Department of Economic Affairs. With regards to powers of Rajya Sabha, which of the following statements is incorrect? Option A money bill cannot be introduced in Rajya Sabha. Yes, this statement is correct. Option B, Rajya Sabha has no power either to reject or amend a money bill. Again, this particular statement is correct. Option C, Rajya Sabha cannot discuss the annual financial statement. This statement is wrong because Rajya Sabha can discuss the annual financial statement but cannot vote on it. Option D, Rajya Sabha has no power to vote on demand for grants. This statement is correct. The only incorrect statement is option C. All revenues received by union government by the way of taxes and other receipts for the conduct of government business are credited to option A, Contingency Fund of India. Option B, Public Accounts of India. Option C, Consolidated Fund of India. Option D, Deposits and Advances Fund. And the correct answer is option C, Consolidated Fund of India. The President nominates 12 members of Rajya Sabha according to option A, their performances as office bearers of cultural societies. Option B, their role played in the political setup of the country. Option C, the recommendations made by the Vice President. Option D, their distinctions in the field of science, art, literature, and social service. The correct answer is option D, their distinction in the field of science, art, literature, and social service. Which of the following can be abolished but not dissolved? Option A, Rajya Sabha. Option B, municipal bodies. Option C, state legislative council. Option D, none of this. And the correct answer is option C, state legislative council. This can be abolished but not dissolved. Which of the following is the largest committee of the parliament? The Public Accounts Committee, the Estimates Committee, the Committee on Public Undertakings, the Committee on Petitions. The answer is the Estimates Committee. Estimates Committee is the largest committee of the parliament. Parliament or state legislature can declare a seat vacant if a member himself absent without permission from the sessions for option A, 30 days, option B, 60 days, option C, 90 days, option D, 120 days. And the correct answer is option B, 60 days. That is, if the member of parliament or state legislature is not attending the sessions of the parliament or state legislature continuously for 60 days, then the parliament or state legislature can declare that particular seat as vacant. How many times can the President of India return a non-money bill passed by the parliament? Option A, twice. Option B, once. Option C, thrice. Option D, never. And the correct answer is option B, once. That is, the President of India can return a ordinary bill again back to the parliament for the reconsideration for only one time. A member of parliament can claim immunity. Option A, both from civil as well as criminal cases. Option B, from civil cases only. Option C, from criminal cases only. Option D, cannot claim immunity either from civil cases or from criminal cases. And the correct answer is option B, from civil cases only. That is, a member of parliament can claim immunity only from civil cases while he is in office. Representatives of union territories in Lok Sabha are chosen by option A, direct elections. Option B, indirect elections. Option C, nomination. Option D, all the above means. And the correct answer is option A, direct elections. Similarly, the members of Lok Sabha to the states are elected. In the same manner, members of Lok Sabha to the union territories are elected directly by the people. Rajya Sabha has exclusive authority to A. Impeach the Vice President. B. Intimate impeachment proceedings against the Chief Election Commissioner. C. Recommend the creation of new All India services. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is option C. Recommend the creation of new All India services. Who presides over joint sitting of Parliament in the absence of both Speaker and Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha? Option A. Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Option B. Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Option C. Person nominated by the President. Option D. None of the above. And the correct answer is option B. Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha. A cut motion which ventilates a specific grievance that is within the sphere of responsibility of Government of India. Option A. Policy cut motion. Option B. Token cut motion. Option C. Economy cut motion. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is option B. Token cut motion. A grant which is advanced for special purpose and forms no part of the current service of any financial year. Option A. Excess grant. Option B. Vote of credit. Option C. Token grant. Option D. Exceptional grant. And the correct answer is option D. Exceptional grant. When the annual union budget is not passed by the Lok Sabha. Option A. The budget is modified and presented again. Option B. The budget is referred to the Rajya Sabha for suggestions. Option C. The Union Finance Minister is asked to resign. Option D. The Prime Minister submits the resignation of entire Council of Ministers. And the correct answer is option D. The Prime Minister submits the resignation of his entire Union Council of Ministers. Consider the following statements. This particular question is asked in Prelims 2019. Statement 1. The Parliament Prevention of Disqualifications Act 1959 exempts several posts from disqualifications on the grounds of office of profit. This statement is correct. The above mentioned act was amended 5 times. This statement is also correct. The term office of profit is well defined in the Constitution of India. This particular statement is wrong. So only 1 and 2 are correct. So option A is the correct answer.